Fruits. Fruits, oh so sweet. Red apples are a yummy treat. Bananas, yellow, soft and long. Peel them quickly, sing a song. Oranges round, juicy too, vitamin C. It's good for you. Grapes are tiny, purple, green. Best little fruits you've ever seen. Mangoes, sweet, a sunny delight. Eat them in the day or night. Strawberries, red, so soft and small. Pick them gently, have a ball. Blueberries, blue, tiny and bright. Perfect little morning bite. Pineapples, spiky, yellow inside, juicy and sweet. A tropical ride. Watermelon, big, juicy and red, cool and refreshing, straight to your head. Cherries, red, like tiny balls. Eat them in summers. Have a ball. Peaches, soft, orange and sweet. Such a juicy, tasty treat. Papaya, orange, smooth and nice. Healthy for kids. Add it to rice. Kiwis, green, fuzzy outside. Slice them open. Take a bite. Lemons, yellow, sour but fun. Squeeze a little. Enjoy the sun. Pears are soft, green or brown. Take a bite. Don't wear a frown. Plums are purple, small and sweet. Juicy fruits are such a treat. Fruits, fruits. We love to eat. Healthy snacks are such a treat.